Hi guys, this is Teacher Mel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn about factors. So a factor is a number or quantity that when multiplied with another, it produces a given number or expression. So let's have an example. For example, if you have 12 and then when you think two numbers multiplied together, the answer is 12. So what are those numbers? It can be 1 times 12. It can be 2 times 6. It can also be 3 times 4. So if you write it from the smallest to the biggest, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So these are the factors of 12. Yeah. Another example. If you have, let's say, 18. So what are the numbers multiplied together? You will get 18. So it can be 1 times 18, can be 2 times 9, another one is 3 times 6. If you arrange them or rearrange them according to the smallest to biggest, or from the smallest to biggest, you get 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. So these numbers are the factors of 18. Another one, if you have 25, so what are the factors of 25? It can be 1 times 25, it can be 5 times 5. Are there any factors? So none, it can be 1, 5, and 25. So these are the factors of 25. Let's say if you have 40. So what are the factors of 40? So it can be 1 times 40. It can be 2 times 20. It can be 4 times 10. We cannot use 3 because 3 does not go into 40. And then we can use 5 times 8. Are there any numbers multiplied together? You get 40. So if none, the factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, and 40. So these are the factors of 40. So that's all for today. Hope you like it. Thank you so much. Bye.